Hey everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So today we are removing the wiper motor. That's the one thing I didn't get to yesterday on the firewall of our 60 Hearse. I will link the video at the end of this one if you didn't see the video from yesterday. We are prepping for paint and just cleaning up things. So if you guys don't know how to do this, you have to have the cowl thing out right here and the screws are right underneath the cowl. Got your wiper arms right here. But gonna clean these screws off and go get my screw gun. This one is located right here. My wire brush has kind of been really used. We have so many of these around the shop, but great for any kind of car work. You can usually get them on Amazon. So anyway, 4 screws, there, and there. I'm gonna go get my screw gun and undo that, and then our wiper motor will be off in case you guys didn't know how to do that. Pretty sure you already do, it's very simple. But like I said, just another step in the puzzle, and that should be about it on our firewall here. I'm going to take off the little vent cover right there here in a few minutes, but then after that, it's pretty stripped. And also our throttle cable right there. I have to bend that back straight. That is supposed to be straight. I don't know how in the world that happened, but we'll fix it up right. And then I also need to clean out our vent over here. Oh, I guess my dad actually did that earlier. Ah, there was leaves in it yesterday after we cleaned it out. Or took the cover off in the video, but I guess he took care of that. So, all right, back in a few minutes. All right, so with our wiper motor, as of course with old cars, everything's got to be difficult. I've got all 3 of the screws loose, except this one right here. So we're actually gonna have to drill it out, but all 3 of the other ones are good to go. So I've used the lube penetrant on it, but this one's just not wanting to come loose, and it may be stripped. So we're gonna drill that one out. Other than that, that'll be off. So now I'm gonna start taking the throttle pedal loose. So we're just gonna finish undoing the screws for our wiper motor. We ended up having to drill the other one out. As you guys can see there, because it was just way too rusted. And these I'm actually just going to leave in their places. I'm not even going to take it all the way out. And then we're going to have to undo this bolt as well. And then this baby should be out and ready to go. So we got everything off there. Now I need to clean out the ducting. I don't know if it's going to happen today or not, but very, very clean. These lines right here are for our leveling shocks. We're actually going to be taking all that off and just running with regular shocks. So I just need to cut those old hoses. They're very decrepit. But yeah, that's going to do it for today. We got the rest of the stuff off, so that's good. Now just cleaning. So right now we're just going to continue cleaning out all of our vents, getting rid of all this leaves and junk right here. Very clean in there, no rust. I think that's about as stripped as we're going to get it right now. Alright guys, thank you for watching this next installment in the Hearse restoration. Have a blessed Sunday, everybody. Take care.